No, we are not going to discuss it. The
No.
manifestation of Congresswoman Matibag
I know.
is to allow this body to tackle that on the next hearing. Not now. Yun ang kanyang manifestation eh.
Ano ba yung, kailan ba yung privilege speech mo? Anday, yung referral sa public, public
It was
order.
referred, Mr. Chair, last week.
Last
right,
week.
Comsec?
We have 5-day rule, under the rules, we have 5-day rule.
May I
So,
remind, wait. May I remind the gentleman that you are, please address the chairman, please.
Anyway, napaka-stricto tong chairman na to. Anyway, sa sunod sa akin, may araw ka rin. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, ganito lang po. We have 5-day rule. Now, if that is covered by the 5-day rule,
Last week ba?
today is our hearing, no? And if the privilege speech which was referred to this committee is germane to the issue being tackled with regards to House resolution of DSGJ and the Honorable Mujib Bataman, we can consolidate it with just one motion. Then we can also discuss today.
So,
Today.
Congresswoman Ann Matibag, a while ago you have this manifestation of your privilege speech to be a part of the discussion based on the resolution of Congressman Suarez. Now, I think the good gentleman from hindi, ano niya?
Party.
Abang Lingkod Party List wanted you to have a motion for this committee to act on it. Go ahead,
Mr. Chairman,
Congresswoman.
sandali po.
Yes, Congressman
Comsec has
Paduano.
clarified. Yes, Comsec. Pasok ba doon sa 5-day rule? 5-day.
I think
Five
Comsec, it
calendar.
was referred to the committee, the privilege speech. Yes, pasok naman na Congressman Paduano. So Congressman Robert Ace Barbers is acknowledged, sir. So Congresswoman Matibag, you are recognized. Go ahead. Yes, Congressman Ako, please.
You were asking the body kung itatackle natin. Tapos ngayon, nakapag-rule ka na without asking the body. I think that is whimsical and arbitrary, Mr. Chair.
No, Chairman Ako, hindi
Yes,
po.
I still
Yes.
have the floor, I
Sige,
think.
go ahead.
There is such a thing as out of order. If it is not included in the agenda, even in the floor, and if you tackle that, you are out of order.
Mr. Chair, Congressman Akop, we will not be tackling that resolution right now. That's the reason why I'm
Hindi ko
asking.
naman sinasabi.
No.
Sandali lang.
No,
Patapusin
wait.
mo kasi ako eh.
Order.
I
What-
still have the floor.
No, I'm trying to get your time because I am the chairman. What I wanted to
Sige,
explain.
if that is what you want, sige.
Mr. Chairman, what I'm trying to point out is that a while ago, Congresswoman Matibag was implying through her manifestation that he wanted to include her privilege speech on the discussion of the resolution. But I tried to put it under the floor by having the body to act on it. But we will not be discussing the merit of the privilege speech right now. What I'm trying to say with the indulgence of Congressman Akop is that the approval of the body that we will be including her privilege speech on the next hearing.
No, Mr. Chairman, ganito lang po.
Pa-recognize ka muna.
Chairman.
Before
Can I be
before I recognize you, Congressman Paduano, may I be allowed to acknowledge the presence of Congressman Ruel Peter Gonzaga. Now you are recognized.
Thank you, Chairman. Mr. Chairman, ganito lang po. Sinabi ko, I have already established, if that privilege speech was referred to this committee, pasok dun sa 5-day rule natin, 5 calendar day rule, pwede talaga. Somebody has to move, na ipasok mo, then we'll vote if we have a quorum. Di ba? That's why, Mr. Chairman,
No.
your ruling should be right after that motion. If ever members
No,
will...
I haven't ruled yet. What I'm trying to
Anyway.
tell is for her to have a motion.
And then
Ang
that's
sabi ko
just
kanina,
only my point.
wait. What I said was, because manifestation yon, now I'm trying to tell change it to a motion. Hindi po ako nag-rule, Congressman Paduano. What I'm trying to tell is to change the manifestation to a motion.
Okay. Pasok ba, Concept?
Pasok. Oh, so motion, please.